Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. I'm back on the Edison Lawn Case Home on this total rebuild. And I'm going to talk about the carriage because this is an early carriage and it has a roller on it that mounts right here that rolls on the rail so the carriage runs down. And a lot of people put these in backwards. The small end of this piece goes against the casting or the carriage. And you want to oil this a little. So all you do, get a little oil on that, use the finger. There we go.
So a screw into that round piece,
Mm-hmm.
and that's going from the underside?
Yep. These are really cool. And the screw will bottom out, and that rolls. So this will be rolling like that. Wipe off the excess. Now, the lift lever has two washers. And this is the lever that lifts the carriage up and down. We have a small washer, and then we have this kind of cup-shaped washer. The small washer goes in first, then the cup shape. So you oil the thread
Of the screw.
You put this little cup-shaped one in first, like that. And now you put the smaller flat one in. And you don't have to oil this except for the threads. You want to make sure this isn't bent. I just did that check. And you put this in here like that. And you want to make sure that you have this pin so it has to go like that. Oopsie, Brett. These are a little tricky to put in. And that's how it looks. And then this screw bottoms out. Boy, I'm having a bad morning with this thing. There we go. I get it. I'm going to have to do this backwards on you. I'm not a big fan of these little Edison screws. There we go. And you want to tighten this down, and then we have it here. Boom, boom. And you want to check these because sometimes this screw gets a little loose, so the lift lever kind of will shake. It has to be a little tight. So when you put it up, this will raise it up, and then this is down for play. So, you have to lock out up and lock out down. And that's how you rebuild an early carriage with a roller piece. Then later on assembly, we will put in the spring and the half nut after this is attached to the back rod. But you have to have everything clean. You need to flex on the two holes. And if my angel can, you look in here, you'll see the little line inside here. They didn't hone these out or ream these out. They just drilled them. So you have to get those little drill marks out. So this will slide smoothly down the carriage. And that's my tip for the day.